再来看美国总统川普昨伫社群媒体骂联准会主席鲍尔是一个大失败者，爱伊随调降利息，这嘛造成美国的资金拢撤离，长期美债甲美股各有美金拢落，美金嘛落到3档来的上价。
美国股市标普500指数日一收盘8个程度强跌2.4%，总计今年以来期待缩水12%。道琼工业指数是8个程度2.5%，今年到达总计80%。纳斯达克指数跌2.55%，一月以来是跌18%。市场人士指出，川普一直想要影响联准会决策的做法，互投资人对美国经济的信心又搁受到打击，引发资金大逃亡，股市是青顺顺，债市甲汇市也拢大下降，美金是变保到3年以来上低水准。
If politics starts getting into monetary policy, you now, as a foreign investor, even a U.S. domestic investor, can't necessarily trust that your interest as a bondholder will be respected. And so that's a potential risk for the dollar and a potential risk for interest rates. All of this feeds into fears within the stock market as well, because
川普顶礼拜威胁联准会主席鲍尔马上降利息，若无就要甲伊开除。伊又搁伫社群媒体批评鲍尔，讲伊是一个大失败者。警告讲，若准联准会无马上降利息，美国的经济就可能放慢。白宫的经济顾问哈塞特18也对外表示讲，正在研究甲鲍尔洗头路的办法。
We have a system of government that's based on checks and balances and systematic governance, not moving hour by hour to some social media announcement, to some emergency decree. What we need is actually government according to the rule of law. Things would really calm down a lot.
川普的美价和美国搁再伟大关税贸易战，互商业大受打击，破坏美国伫国际之间的地位。4条5000亿美金的减税计划，又搁互毋捌出现过的财政亏损，面对更较大的欠亏，如今又搁想要破坏联准会的独立性。市场的人士指出，若是安尼，可能会互通货膨胀转向停止型的通货膨胀方向。公司新闻王慧文编译。